Fine, everybody. So today's video is gonna be our first one from Portugal this year anyway. We did a few videos here last year and we're specifically in the Algarve region in the south of Portugal, which is known for its beautiful beaches. And the city that we're in is Portimao. So right now I'm in the house that my parents live in. So this is the view from their place, their apartment. As you can see, it's loads of apartment buildings here. The majority are all apartments, like holiday homes. We're going to be heading to a fishing village nearby called Alvor, and we're just going to go for a walk with my parents, and I'll be able to show you a bit of the Algarve. I was just getting ready for the walk. How are you feeling with the jet lag?
Well, today I'm a little bit better than the other days, but I'm still feeling weird, like my mind is, I don't know.
Today's the 4th day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes a while. If you didn't watch our previous videos, we were in the Philippines the past 7 months, so completely different time zone. And I want to test out two big things today. So I got this little foam shield. This is for the GoPro, so this is to cut out wind noise, which can be annoying. And I used it on my last GoPro, but I just got this delivered here, so I'll be able to test that out. I think it's quite windy here. And I also got the new DJI Mavic Air 2 drone that I haven't used yet. I bought this in the Philippines, so yeah, I want to test out these two today. Alright, so we arrived in Alvor. It was only like 10 minutes in the car from Portimao, so very close. And we have the return of the parents. How are you guys doing? And this is one of your like main walks, right, that you do?
Yeah.
Every week?
I say every week, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, me and Carol have never done this walk, so yeah, it's pretty cool that it's new for us. So this is the beach that we've come on. Praia da Torralta, so that's how you say beach in Portuguese, praia. And they have these nice walkways here. Here's your COVID stuff. Yeah, so they have this really nice walkway here, this sea deck, parallel to the beach. You can probably check out the beach in a bit. So when you're outside, you don't have to wear a mask, only when you go indoors. And in general, the Algarve's barely had any cases, and they had a bit of a tourism season, so they're doing very well. But yeah, when we're out in the open like this walking around, we don't need a mask. So this is how the landscape is a lot of the time in the Algarve. It's very dry, like sandy, mix of sand and dirt, I guess. There's over 300 days of pretty much sun here, so that's why it's a popular like beach destination, because it's pretty much just sunny and dry all the time, not much rain at all. So we've reached the end of one of the trails now. Get some awesome views here. So over here are the sandbanks of a river. Not sure what the name is. And you can see the walkway even continues all the way to the end there. But we came from down that way. And then on the left, yeah, really nice beach. Actually, it looks a lot wider than I expected. have like the huts of the fishing people. You can see all the cages here. Dad, what do you think these cages are for though?
Lobsters.
Lobsters?
Crabs.
Oh, okay.
They crawl in. They crawl
Not
in
for
there.
fish then?
No, they crawl in there and then they can't get out again.
Oh, okay. And the seagulls. Loads of seagulls around here. Yeah, so this place, Alvor, is like a little harbour as well. So yeah, once again you got all the fishing gear and loads of boats out there, fishing boats, yachts as well. Check out this little sailboat here. So Alvor has basically been a fishing village for centuries now. I think like 500, 600 years, maybe even longer. And yeah, they're still doing it. So we're entering the main part of the old village here now, and check out all these seagulls here. Hundreds of big seagulls just chilling, waiting for their fish. Very cute little village, right?
Yeah. It kind of reminds me of Greece. I've never been to Greece, but I think it's...
Because of the white buildings.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the Algarve a lot of the buildings are white like this, so just like the Greek islands. So we're gonna eat at this place here. Zemorgajin. Look at the date, 1890. That's an old restaurant. Yeah, so check this out. That basically says typical food from the Algarve. So me and Carol are gonna go for the sardines with cooked potatoes and salad, and that's only €8. So we also got some olives for starters. What's that in? Is it like tomato sauce or something?
No, carrots.
Oh, it's carrots.
Carrots in olive oil.
Oh, olive oil, carrots, and this nice basket of bread. So this is like a common starter in Portugal. And then we got an old dude back there playing the accordion. Here we have the famous sardines. Mum doesn't like the smell. No. Me and Carol love it though. This is what we kept eating last year when we were here. So I think we get 6 each, more or less. And then yeah, you got the nice boiled potatoes. And is that oregano?
Yeah. Tomato, just a salad.
Yeah, just a salad. What's the name of this dish?
Cataplana.
Cataplana?
Fish cataplana.
It's not fish though, it's shellfish, yeah?
Yeah, but it has fish in it.
Oh, it has, okay. And what is that? Clams and shrimp?
Yeah.
That looks crazy. Yeah, this is the Algarve feast right here. Okay.
Now that we ate fish, we are gonna feed the seagulls.
Yeah, with bread.
With bread, not
I don't know if
fish.
they eat bread.
They do a weird
Scream.
noise, yeah.
Here we go.
No more food.
No more food. Right next to the town. Looks like there's a cave up here. We didn't know about that. Some cool little house there as well. Yeah, check how cool this looks. Oh, just a tiny cave. Oh, somebody's been doing like a barbecue. Some caveman.
It's nice the view from here.
Oh yeah, that is a nice view. Yeah, everything is just so chilled, laid back here.
Yeah. That's why we like Portugal and
The
this
Algarve,
place,
yeah,
Algarve
and
in
here.
general.
Always get these cool orange rocks around the Algarve as well. So I think the next video we should go to one of those orange rock beaches.
Yeah, we love those beaches. They're just amazing.
Yeah,
And it's like, I think the main thing in the Algarve.
yeah.
Those beaches.
It's like the iconic thing of the Algarve.
Fica cheio de azeitona que eles fazem.
Olive tree.
Yeah.
Wonder if you can eat them though.
No, they are bitter as anything.
Oh really? So we're walking around the streets of the old town now. I always love these kind of old villages because they just have amazing architecture. So all the buildings are nice and cute. This white style with yeah, like the colored edges and stuff. Then you also have the tiles here, the famous tiles. We have that in Brazil as well because the Portuguese went there, which in Portuguese call it azulejo. Here we got the old historic church. I think this is from the 16th century. So yeah, pretty old. Check how cool this looks. So a lot of the churches, the old churches, are this kind of style in Portugal. Blends in well with the architecture of the houses. Yeah, so these places are always very colorful. Check out this one as well, some other tiled buildings. Oh, this one too.
So cute.
Yeah. So Mum's a cat lover, she always brings cat food.
Fica muito perto que ele não come. Fica mais longe.
Nice cat though. So we're just walking back to the car park now. So even on the beach they have this cool like deck as well to walk on. So yeah, that's pretty good. Really is a huge beach though, super wide. The weather's actually perfect at this time of the year, right?
Yeah, because the sun is very strong, so it doesn't get cold and it doesn't get too hot.
Yeah.
Perfect.
October, perfect. Because last time we came in like July, peak heat season, but it was kind of hard to walk around during the day.
Especially walk on the city.
Yeah.
It was too hot, but now it's perfect.
Yeah, since the Algarve is so southern, it's one of the hottest places in Europe, I think. Plus here it's super dry as well, so probably even hotter. Let's go! So that's it for this video. This is going to be the first of many here around Algarve. We're going to be here for the rest of the year, so yeah, probably 3 months in total. Obviously because of COVID, we're not going to be jumping around from country to country like we used to do. It's not really possible right now, so yeah, at least 3 months here, so I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. We might even see other areas of Portugal. We're still working out our plans, but here around the Algarve we're definitely going to go to a lot of places because there's so much stuff we still haven't done as well. Yeah, I'm pretty excited, looking forward to it. It is really an amazing place, and yeah, in the next few videos we'll do some like proper beach stuff, I think. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you like the video, just drop a like to help us out. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.